Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you what's up friends. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a printer using host name or IP address on your Windows 11. Now, this is super easy. If you have the IP address or host name of the printer written down somewhere or given to you, this is super easy to add. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So you want to go ahead and click the Windows key on your keyboard or laptop and simple type in add printer on your computer. You will find this on the options here that's going to be shown to you. Click in that and you will see right here that is under the Bluetooth and devices, printer and scanners, and just simply click add on the upper right. Once you do that, it's going to start to refresh, but then you'll have the option that says that you can add it manually, and that should appear. So as you have it right here, click on that, and now you have the option to add a printer using IP or host name. So click on this option and you can see what it actually looks like as an example. So you have it, for example, here, and you can basically choose. So once you choose that, go ahead and click on next. Here it's going to ask you the device type. You have a few options here, whether it's going to be IPv device or TCP IP device. Choose whichever one that you want, or you want to auto detect. It's really up to you. And you want to go ahead and enter the IP address or host name. And then once you enter that, you'll be able to click on next and add all of this information. Now, once you do that, it's going to detect it on the network and you'll be able to add your printer from here. And that's pretty much all that you have to do, guys. Very easy and very simple. Once the printer is added, it's going to show up here and you can run a test of the printer by doing a print test or try to print whatever document that you have, and you'll be able to see that the printer is working. Keep in mind that once you're going to print something, I'm going to show you, for example, if I go to, for example, my file explorer right here, and let's say I have any document that I want to print. After I add the printer, I'm going to just go to the downloads folder here and let's just open up this image. Let's say I wanted to print this and I go ahead and I click print, for example, on the left hand side. You will need to select that printer here. So where it says printer, you need to click drop down, find the printer that you want to use to print from, and then you will be able to print with that after you choose how you want to print. And that's all that you have to do, guys. Very easy and very simple.